Housecall Pro is built around fast scheduling and automated customer communication, while FieldPulse focuses more on flexibility and customization for growing service teams. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly which one fits your business size, workflow style, and budget expectations, so you don't overpay for features you won't use. The difference between these two platforms isn't just features. It's how your day actually runs once you start relying on them. Housecall Pro is designed for speed. It prioritizes booking jobs, sending estimates, and keeping customers updated without you manually touching every step. That makes it strong for small to mid-sized service businesses that want something straightforward instead of heavily customizable systems. FieldPulse takes a different approach. It gives you more control over how jobs are structured, how workflows are built, and how your team moves through each stage of a job. That flexibility matters more when your operations are more complex or when you have multiple technicians working different types of jobs. Now the real question is how that plays out in daily use. Housecall Pro feels simpler to set up and manage. You typically spend less time configuring workflows and more time actually running jobs. That simplicity is the main reason many small contractors stick with it. FieldPulse feels more like a system you build around your business. You can shape it to match how your company already operates, instead of changing your process to fit the software. That can be useful if your workflow is already established and you don't want to force everything into a preset structure. Pricing between the two isn't publicly fixed in a transparent way, so both usually require getting a custom quote based on your team size and feature needs. That means the real cost depends heavily on how many users you have and what features you activate. So the decision comes down to this. If you want something faster to adopt with less setup and simpler daily use, Housecall Pro is the more direct option. If you need more control over workflows and job structure, FieldPulse is built for that level of customization. Here's the simple takeaway. Housecall Pro is about speed and simplicity. FieldPulse is about flexibility and control. Choosing the wrong one usually means paying for complexity you don't use or outgrowing a system too quickly. Pick based on how your team actually works today, not how you think it might work later. And if this helped, subscribe for more direct breakdowns of service business software without the sales talk.